Magsimula tayo kay Maine Mendoza, no? Bago siya naging Yaya Dub, phenomenal star at Mrs. Atayde, si Maine Mendoza isang special agent ng NBI, the National Bading Investigation. Because noong 2010, nag-tweet siya ng, "I can sense your bading vibes." Alam mo yun, no? Not bad vibes. Bading vibes. Nakakapital letters ang BAD! And that stands for Bureau of Assessment and Detection ng Kabaklaan. No, ang ganda! At ladies and gentlemen, 1 year later she tweeted, "Kung wala kang magandang sasabihin, manahimik ka na lang, bading!" I love it, no? Beautiful. Inspirational. You know, it sounds like a quote na naka-frame sa guidance office. Tapos, biglang may bading. At no, hindi lang to simpleng bading. Feeling ko, no, sa sobrang lutong ng pagkasabi niya ng bading, mas malutong pa to sa chicharon! Uulitin ko, no, iba ang mundo nung golden age ng Twitter noon. Lahat naman tayo, no, dumaan na tumatawag ng bading, no, katulad ko. But what's important, you guys, is lahat naman na tayo nagbago, right? Right? Like and follow for more.